So you can see that I have like dark spots here, dark spots kind of around my eyes, and definitely on this side of my face I have a lot of discoloration. So for the next 5 days, I will be using sea moss on my face, and I am going to be washing my face at night with African black soap. And after I do that, I will apply the sea moss mask, and I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes. And then after the sea moss mask comes off, I will be following up with Shea Butter. I will be doing this at night. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my sea moss gel. I made a video explaining how I made this gel, so make sure to click on the link in the description box below. This is the morning after. I still see this pimple here, and I think one was trying to form like up here. My face feels like tight, but I would like to see some of these. And I mean, some of these are moles, so I know they're not going anywhere, but I don't know, I want this part of my face to kind of even out a little bit. So we'll see. My skin feels a little dry, even though I put all that shea butter on it last night, but definitely like in this area here, my skin feels like just dry. I think overall, like my skin looks lighter. It kind of looks like it has helped on this side of my face. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day, and this is my face after using sea moss gel for 5 days. My goal was to help out with discoloration. However, I will say that by using this, my face has felt a lot tighter, a lot firmer. I actually feel like my overall skin is like a little bit lighter. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you need to know how to make sea moss gel, also check out my video. I will put a link down in the description box below on how I made my sea moss gel. So let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm sending you off with peace, love, happiness, and good vibes. Peace out.